Klaiyi hair. And if you seen my last video of when I unboxed, I did a wig unboxing video showing the Klaiyi hairs that I got. You'll see that this is one of the wigs that I got. This is a reddish brown T-part wig. I wore this wig for New Year's Eve and I was such in a rush. So I'm going to try this again and install it and try to do something with it, because this is kinky hair and it's really hard to try to flat iron it and keep it in a certain style. But like I said, I'm going to try it again and make this shit look right. So y'all just keep watching and watch me slay this wig, because this is not gonna stop me. I definitely wanted to come in here real quick and talk to y'all because I miss my wealthy babies, okay? So like I said before, this wig was not working out for me on New Year's Eve, so I had to try it again. So I'm using this new adhesive glue that I came across on Amazon, I believe, and it is Kiss adhesive glue. That thing, it works. I love it. I fell in love with this glue so much. It's under $10, but I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront down below. Y'all should definitely get this. I might do a review on this, but I don't know yet. What made me fall in love with this glue is the fact that it has a silicone tip at the end of the bottle that helps smooth out the adhesive glue very well, and also this adhesive glue dries very quickly and it stays tacky. All I need is one layer, that's it, and I'm good. You feel me? So like I said before, this will be linked in my Amazon storefront, because your girl got an Amazon storefront now, so y'all go check that out. I might have had a little problem with this wig on New Year's Eve, but I had to come back and give it a try, and what I can say is the lace on this wig is bomb as fuck, okay? It melts into my skin so good, so well, that the lace look like scalp. I promise you it does. The only thing I just didn't like I said before in my last video, if you did not watch it, go check that out, is I didn't like Klaiyi hair sending me a T-part wig, but I made it work. I did not know what I was gonna do, but when you watch this video, you gonna see that I made this damn wig work, okay? Before I let y'all go, I just want to give y'all the tea on this wig, that the sale is still going on Klaiyi hair. When I bought this hair, it was $165, but now the prices have went down even more. So you can go ahead and grab you this wig. The link will be down in my description. And yeah, that was about it. I just want to come in here and talk to y'all because I miss y'all. You feel me? So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick wig install, and I'll see y'all later.
She got a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's Ash, ready to drop my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassing. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk of 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. More hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking it till it look at the kid. Dirty the fountain, but make it in Canada, bro. Get this money like it's my religion. It could be a mad, they're sad. If any of these niggas, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 digits off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kids. I trap out of bando, spent 10 on the crib. I look at the ocean, the spot 30 here. Penny where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody want me in. I have touch her ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, get no competition. 2 minute breaks, no hold on the wrist. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quiz. I'm about to eat like a fool with a kid. Chief had a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, it's Ash, ready to drop my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk of 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. More hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking it till it look at the kid. Count up some millions and tasting my drugs. Just stuck in my memory, they want showing love. Ain't matching my fly, bitch, you know you a dub. Started this way, but now you ain't no bruh. Try to take him out in the back on the E. Flying commercial, he hires me. Driving the spaceship, the one with the wing. Cross up the trap out and run out the key. Ain't let no fuck nigga holding me back. Put a switch on and then little nigga wet. After I hit you, bitch, give him the back. Ain't got no rope, put a horn on the strap. Come to the moon, they gon' show you the no slack. Who the tycoon ain't no regular kid. Took a few shrooms, I forget where I'm at. Popping a tough little feeling the kid. She got a flight, nigga, can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me his ass ready down my ass. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I get. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm bagging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Big brick connected, look at the key.